Hey folks, Hunks here. So in this video we're going to be scrapping a couple of old school Dish Network satellite boxes. They're from the 90s, and I know that because I installed them at my parents' house, and my mom just got rid of them. She hasn't used Dish Network in years. So these are not the kind that have hard drives in them, but let's take a look and see what was inside these old school ones. Alright, so we'll start off with this first one here. That's the first thing we do, clip the cord. Put that aside. Next thing that you want to do is pull out the smart card. So that's going to have a little gold chip on it. And I know that people are going to ask, and I think I don't remember if it's 1,000 or 10,000 of them, but it takes quite a lot of these to make 1 single gram of gold. So keep that in mind. Just one. Plastic. Jeez, I'm not finding very many screws, but I don't know how this thing's coming off. That's how it comes off. Alright, it's a light iron. Oh, that looks like a nice little board. Don't see too many screws. But of course, just because I don't see them doesn't mean they're not there. Alright, well, let's take these things off. There's the light iron, and this is our board. So let's take a closer look at this. Alright, so hopefully we can all see this. Alright, so we've got some IC chips, a little here and there and everywhere. A little crystal oscillator here. We got these little copper inducers or whatever the hell they are. Little transformer there. A little copper bearing thing over here. These disc capacitors, these may contain silver. I'm not quite sure which ones do and which ones don't. So if you want to just put them all in a bucket and save them up for eventually sending off to a refiner. So we've got another crystal oscillator here, another one there. We've got these little things over here. that is, I'm not quite sure what it's called, but it's got a copper heatsink on the back, and that black part in the front. This one has 2 legs, so there could be 2 gold bonding wires in there. Same with this one over here. There's another one in here attached to that heatsink. This little plastic part here, get that off. I've got some gold-plated pins in there. And that's pretty much it, not a whole lot. So, if you see something that I'm missing, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so that's it for that one. So let's take apart the next one. So this one's a slightly different model. Clip the cord, pull out the smart card. Alright, and as we learned from that last one, we've got to take the faceplate off. Wow. Alright. Now, this should slide upwards. There it is, up and off. Alright. And looking inside here, this one is basically identical. And you know, I'm not noticing very many MLCCs or any of that kind of stuff. But it's all pretty much the same as, you know, as that one. Little IC chips, some crystal oscillators. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. Alright, so that's it for satellite boxes, the old Dish Network boxes. A couple of mid-grade boards, nothing extra fancy. A little bit of gold bearing material, a little bit of, you know, gold recovery stuff if you're into that. But all in all, not a whole lot in there. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I put out new videos. Make sure you check out the description of the video so that you can check out the rules for entering my 100,000 subscriber giveaway. And I believe that's it. So again, thanks for watching. See y'all later.